Tornado emergency for Macon. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City, Georgia has issued a tornado warning for... Wait, I want to cancel. For Central Bibb County and Central Georgia until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. As of 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near Macon, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Macon. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard. Deadly tornado. Source. Radar hazard. Destructive tornado. Source. Radar confirmed tornado. Impact. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. This tornado has sucked debris up to a height of 45,000 feet. Radar estimates velocities in this tornado likely over 175 miles per hour. Impact. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be annihilated. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is expected, and complete destruction is likely. Precautionary/preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, violent, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, seek the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.